Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 17ce1035cl. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 17ce1035cl barely lasts any time at all, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur as the battery ages and loses its ability to hold a charge. If left unaddressed, you may find your device becoming increasingly unusable, leading to frustration and potential data loss if you rely on it for important tasks. To tackle this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with the HP 17ce1035cl. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing around the device. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Once you have access to the inside, locate the battery, which is usually housed in a compartment near the base of the device. It's typically held in place by a couple of small Phillips screws. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, ensuring you do this slowly to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it sits securely in place. Replace the screws to hold the battery firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten them as this can strip the threads or damage the battery. Once the new battery is secured, carefully reassemble the casing of your device, making sure all clips are locked in place and there are no gaps. After everything is back together, power on your HP 17ce1035cl and check to see if it charges properly and holds a charge better than before. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods once fully charged, and consider using power management settings to help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.